top of the morning, USA. This is a global warning that dinosaurs are coming back. Dinosaurs have been dead for millions of years, are growing skin and coming back alive. They've broken out of the museum covered in blood after eating all the staff and visitors inside. There is low hope of survival on the streets. If you travel, stay in large groups, stay armed, and stay away from bodies of water. Do not travel during the night. There is almost 100% chance of death. We are doing all we can to take back the states, but we need your help to do it. U.S. armed forces are delivering care packages full of guns and ammo on high-rises. But be careful, raptor are in building, but they are more commonly found in tall buildings. Got in at the start, and they killed everyone. In pterodactyls flying around and riding anyone and tearing limb from limb, but if you're lucky, they might drop you on accident and you might die on impact. If you were in these states, get out of them and avoid them. The orange states have made an alliance and they are helping anyone out and killing dinosaurs. Auxentios Abe, if you see anyone with name on their armor, stay with them. They will take you to safety. Juan Wiklatech. We have some major news. New Hampshire has fallen. 1.8 million people has died and 0.1 is injured. About a week into this, the population has already dropped by 38% in United States alone. Congress has passed the law where all 13-plus children are allowed to use firearms to defend themselves or to attack dinosaurs. But we do have some good news. U.S. Army Forces Care Package plan has been successful. Dinosaurs, Allosaurus have gone extinct again or are in danger. We will report back with news. 2 weeks later, the fight against dinosaurs has turned in favor of the human. We have been able to clear out some states and cities. We have taken back a lot of major points to fight against the dinosaurs. If you are in a red circle zone, you are safe. Oh God, raptors have... Oh my God, Emily, Trevor, Michael, these savages, I'm so sorry. I'll make sure that your dead wasn't in vain. Goodbye, reckless news, and may God have mercy on us.